Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is gonna be like more like a vlog like kind of thing, just because I want to show you guys like what different things you can do while in quarantine. Basically I've just been kicking it back these past few days and just been watching movies and stuff with my family, and it has been so amazing. And you know, like I've also been going outside, as you guys can see from the earlier videos that I put. It's just so relaxing, and you know, it's just like some nice time to myself. But obviously sometimes it can get boring, so I'm going to be showing you guys different things that you can do around the house and stuff like that. So the first thing that I'm going to start off by doing is baking a cake. I love to bake. When it comes to baking, I'll usually bake like some cookies or like cake or also brownies and stuff like that, and I just love baking. I honestly think it's so much easier than cooking. I don't know why, but this is obviously pre-packaged. This is the Duncan Hines perfectly moist classic yellow cake, and it's so good. Like, and I obviously love eating the cake batter, even though you're not supposed to do that, but it's delicious, honestly. So yeah, you guys, we're gonna be doing that today, so why don't you guys grab a cake mix and just bake with me. Hi. So I'm obviously not a professional baker, but I swear it's good. I already tried it, and that was the whole point for the flour and the Crisco, was for it not to stick on the pan. It still happens. It's fine.
What happened? Oh.
so good, I swear. So I just got out of the shower and everything, and I think the next thing that I'm going to be doing is some self-care essentials. Starting off with like doing a face mask, take off the dead skin cells and everything like that, and also I'm going to be trying to whiten my teeth. So yeah, let's get started. I put my hair up and I'm just going to kind of put a little bit of water on my face to start off and just make sure it's nice and damp. So the first step that I'm going to be going in with is this Obagi Gentle Cleanser. I'm putting a small amount like that. What I really like about this facial cleanser is that it's just really simple and it's for any skin type, and you can use it during the day and at nighttime as well. So it's just a really nice cleanser for any kind of skin. It just soothes out the skin really nicely. So now that the face is washed, I'm going to be going in with this Aveeno oat mask, and it does have some pumpkin seed extract, which is amazing. So basically it just helps you bring your natural glow back. It calms and soothes the skin and also brings that rebalance to it as well. So I'm going to be putting on this face mask, and it says to place on with damp skin. So I'm going to kind of wet my face a little bit again, and then to leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes. So now that the face mask is off, I'm going to go ahead and continue on with moisturizer. I'm going to be going in with this Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel Cream, and it does contain hyaluronic acid, which is amazing. Basically, hyaluronic acid really just kind of adds that moisture to the skin. Be cleaning my room. Like I said, I am gonna be redesigning my room. I'm just gonna be kind of just being proactive and kind of getting things ready for when it actually can happen. So I'm just gonna be clearing out all the stuff that's up there in the little closet storage stuff. I don't even know what I said, but yeah, we're gonna be doing that right now. And I'm also just going to be cleaning some stuff that I left around the ground that's on the walls and stuff. I just want to kind of minimalize all the junk that I have. Yorkie? Basically, we are done with my room. Let me show you guys what I did and kind of fixed up. But my room's a little messy right now, so I'm gonna clean it up right now just to show you guys like how it looks. But I have a lot of stuff on my bed right now. Okay, so now basically I kind of got rid of all the shoes that I had over there. And then I had some boxes that were right here and some stuff that was also blocking my bed right here. And I also organized my closet. Okay, so in this section I have mostly like my winter stuff, my sweaters, my hoodies, other jackets, and then also some formal wear, including like formal dresses and stuff like that, business attire stuff. And then when we move to this middle section, we have my shoes going down all the way. But here in this top row, I have the heels that I use mostly. And then here I have all my sneakers, the ones that I use all the time, sneakers, tennies, and slip-ons. And then behind these boots are kind of just heels that I don't really wear. And then here I have like my booties and stuff. And then I have other boots in boxes as well. Right there I have some exercise stuff that's like a roller, just to like roll my back or any muscles that are sore. And then in this section I have all my bottoms. I have sweatpants, jeans, skirts, shorts, and then in the very back I have some t-shirts that I have all there. And right here are just mostly of my summer shirts. First it starts off with like the strapless, and then it goes to like the strapped off the shoulder, and then it goes to like t-shirts and then long sleeves. And then in the very back I have my summer dresses. These are like my informal dresses. And then up here is just yearbooks. Those are movies that I put into that box. And then in that bag are some makeup bags that I have. And then I just have some more shoes. And in this stand I mostly have all my hats and just bags, mostly everything that I use. So these are all my go-to things. Other stuff I kind of just got rid of. And then my dresser and everything. But yeah. And then this is where I mostly had the shoe boxes, and those where I put those shoes. I got rid of the shoe boxes just so I can have more space and be able to store more things. So honestly, whenever it comes to doing my nails, I'm not the greatest, but we're gonna manage. Sadly, I couldn't find the nail polish that I always use. It had like a little bit of color, kind of like a light pinkish color. So it made like my nails look super healthy. It just gave that nice coat to it, but I can't find it. So I'm gonna just do this pink shade from Revlon in the shade Plum Baby. And also in advance, I'm so sorry for the noise. Usually whenever I do my nails, I feel like the left hand is good because I'm right-handed, but whenever I do the right hand, it's like so hard. Other nail polish would have been so good just because it covers all my mess ups. And I hate it because whenever I'm actually looking for something, I don't know, I'm pretty sure you guys experience this too. Like whenever you're looking for something that you need, you can't find it at all. But then whenever you don't need it or anything, you just like randomly come across it. It's like, bro, like where were you when I needed you, you know? I don't even know if my left hand is looking good right now. So this is probably gonna be a flop. If anything, I'll just fix them with a Q-tip. Hopefully that'll work. Okay. So first coat is on. I don't even know how to show them. Sorry, my fingers look weird. So this is like the second coat. This is how it's looking. A little rough, but we all can do nails. Using this Beauty Secrets top coat. I think it's fixing them a little bit. So Easter's tomorrow, and obviously we're gonna be spending it in quarantine. So what are you guys like planning to do? I know like my family and I know my dad's gonna be cooking out, and then hopefully we can go swimming tomorrow. Hopefully the weather permits for that. For past Easters, we would usually go to like a friend's ranch and just hang out there, but obviously we cannot this year. So we're just like making the best out of it, and we're gonna do like a mini Easter egg hunt, which is so fun, and also like a money Easter egg hunt. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? I'm gonna leave them like this, okay? Like this is the best that it's gonna get. They're obviously free, so not that bad. They look painted from afar. I think they look really good, like from 6 feet apart. So I mean, it's good for social distancing. These are cute social distancing nails. Nails are done. These are the finished nails, and like I said, perfect quarantine nails, 6 feet apart nails, social distancing nails, because literally they look good from afar. But yeah, this is how they came out. Woo! Look pretty, very pretty. Not up close though, so that's why 6 feet apart. So yeah, make sure you guys are keeping your distance, and I hope you guys are staying safe during this quarantine, and hopefully I gave you guys some ideas to do while staying home and staying in. And the more that we stay home and stay in, the more likely we're able to flatten the curve. So make sure you guys are doing that. Please, please, please. I know how boring it can get, but just find some things you can do and kind of make the best out of it. And so yeah, that's what I'm practically doing, and I hope you guys are taking care of yourselves. Stay home, stay safe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. I love you guys. Bye.